years ago, we incorporated CyRAACS to be the trusted security partner for our clients. It is providence that the day was 7717, 7-7-1-7, which truly describes our tagline, your trusted security partner. Our incredible journey in these 7 years, acquiring marquee clients, building capabilities, and truly reflecting niche consulting, resulted in phenomenal growth in revenue, team size, and expansion in multiple geographies. With consulting, we have been able to solve complex problems and recommend the best practices for our security posture improvement. As auditors, we are the trusted lieutenants of our regulators like RBI, SEBI, and IRDAI, and many others to ensure regulatory compliance. Our tribe of ethical hackers and red team professionals are the best in class to challenge and test the robustness of the defense measures of our clients' technology landscape. Our CISO services is a very unique service where we work as the extended arm for our clients, managing and sustaining their security governance, operations, and compliance. With the increasing regulatory scrutiny on vendor risks, our third-party risk management practice, TPRM, is playing a very key role in securing third-party interactions for our clients. Every client we have worked with over the past 7 years have been instrumental in our growth story. Our employees have been key in establishing ourselves as a niche GRC player. Our standing as the most preferred partner for banks and insurance companies reinforces our credentials as a leader in regulatory and BFSI space. Our strong focus on innovation and automation propelled our product journey, and today our GRC platform, 𝐸𝐴MPAS, is simplifying compliance and security sustenance for many of our clients. 𝐸𝐴MPAS has made life easier for our clients, helping them to be audit ready at any time. We will continue to build enhancements to bring all GRC requirements on 𝐸𝐴MPAS over the next 18 months. Policy management, third-party risk management, privacy, and business continuity management, truly enabling us to become a leader in platform-led cybersecurity services. Our humble pranams to all our teachers who have led us this far. Our prayers for the continued success of our clients, our employees in Team CyRAACS. Thank you.